Everybody want a piece of my chicken, southern fried chicken, finger licking. Everybody want a piece of my chicken, southern fried chicken, finger licking. Everybody want a piece of my chicken, southern fried chicken, finger licking. Everybody want a piece of my chicken, southern fried chicken, finger licking.
I got a pan, I got a plan. I'ma fry this chicken in my hand. I got some hot grease and a whole chicken. Gon' wash your hands, cause you gon' be licking them. Big old thing of fried, spice all on them. My fried chicken gon' take you over. Everybody want a piece of my chicken. Peaches got that fresh, hot, ghetto fried chicken.
Everybody want a piece of my chicken, southern fried chicken, finger licking. Everybody want a piece of my chicken, southern fried chicken, finger licking. Everybody want a piece of my chicken, southern fried chicken, finger licking. Everybody want a piece of my chicken, southern fried chicken, finger licking.
Now where my hot sauce? I don't want no ketchup, just one big juicy jalapeno pepper. White meat, dog meat, it don't even matter. Hanging with peaches don't make you fatter. I'ma warn you now, baby, here's the deal. One piece of my chicken, you gon' call Dr. Phil. It's finger licking, it's real sticky. Y'all know you want a piece of my chicken.
Everybody want a piece of my chicken, southern fried chicken, finger licking. Everybody want a piece of my chicken, southern fried chicken, finger licking.
over here. Stop. Stop.
Give me the girl. This shit's so fattening.
Fresh sunflower bathing
Oh, no, it's so
Let
bad.
me
in the
get
African Ocean.
Let me get most of the chicken.
Guadalupe.
What are you doing? You're wasting it.
There's a bone, you idiot.
Hey. No. Feels so tribal.
That's some chicken right there.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at all the money. The money's ruined.